Okay, so I'm back with Mandy again. She's had some time from the last time we met to go over and talk about the cells and their components that are inside and how they function and those kind of things. So, Mandy, kind of tell me where you're at with that. First of all, how was your gym competition today? How'd you do?
I did good.
Good. I'm glad. You feel like you kicked some butt, or maybe uh, next time, or
I did okay. I hurt my knee on one of the events, so
oh, I'm sorry about that, sweetie pie. So, talk to me about what you learned about cells. I mean, give me just even a brief overview of a few things that you learned so that I know that you understand the structure of a cell.
um so I know that plant and animal cells mostly have the same things. I know that plant cells have a central vacuole, the cell wall, and chloroplast that the animal cell doesn't have, and that some of the main things they have are like mitochondria, a nucleus, and they have the animal cell has smaller vacuoles, and they have the Golgi apparatus and the smooth and rough ER. And
So, it sounds like you've done a pretty good job at getting all this kind of stuff learned. Did you take notes as you were going through it, or?
yeah, I have some right here.
Okay, so that's great. So you've got notes, you can study with those, and you can uh, get those things taken care of for the next time we meet, because next time we meet, we're going to start talking about not just the parts of the cells, but how they interact with each other. And when cells interact, they form different parts of the body. They form organs and skin and all those kind of things. Did you know your skin is actually considered to be an organ?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to learn about that. We'll learn about the integumentary system and the different body systems that the cells make up. That's where we're heading towards. Are there any questions or anything you feel like you need to ask me before we go?
No, not really.
Okay, well, I think it would be a good idea if we met again in, let's say, 2 weeks, just to go over some of these things that we've been learning and refresh our memory and those kind of things. Will that work for you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Mandy, I really appreciate you helping me out with this. Thank you for, studying and doing so well. And I can't wait to talk with you again in 2 weeks.
You're welcome.